Hello, camera enthusiasts. Today, let's dive into the Canon M50, a versatile mirrorless camera that's made a big splash for content creators and casual photographers alike. Whether you're upgrading from a smartphone or looking for a lightweight setup, the Canon M50 has a lot to offer. So, let's get right into its key features and what makes this camera stand out. The Canon M50 comes equipped with a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, which delivers impressive image quality. The APS-C sensor is larger than those found in most smartphones and compact cameras, providing better depth of field and low light performance. This makes it a great choice for capturing crisp photos and videos, even in challenging lighting conditions. One of the standout features is its dual-pixel autofocus system. This autofocus is fast and precise, making it ideal for both photography and videography. Whether you're tracking a moving subject or focusing on a specific detail, the M50's autofocus keeps things sharp. It also supports eye detection AF, which is perfect for portrait shots. Video creators will appreciate the M50's 4K recording capability. You can shoot 4K at up to 24 frames per second, delivering high-quality footage for vlogs or YouTube content. However, it's worth noting that the 4K mode has a crop factor and does not use dual-pixel AF, so it may be best suited for static shots or controlled environments. For general use, the 1080p Full HD recording with dual-pixel AF is more versatile. The Canon M50 also features a vari-angle touchscreen. This fully articulating screen makes it easy to frame your shots, whether you're filming yourself or capturing low-angle footage. It's a handy feature for vloggers and photographers who want more flexibility with their compositions. The touchscreen interface is responsive and user-friendly, allowing quick adjustments to settings. Connectivity is another strong point for the M50. It includes built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC, making it easy to transfer photos and videos directly to your smartphone or tablet. You can also use the Canon Camera Connect app to remotely control the camera, which is great for group photos or setting up shots from a distance. Battery life on the Canon M50 is decent for its class, offering around 235 shots per charge with the standard LPE12 battery. If you plan on shooting a lot of video or using Wi-Fi frequently, it's a good idea to carry a spare battery. Overall, the Canon M50 is a solid choice for beginners and intermediate users looking for a compact, versatile camera. It combines good image quality, reliable autofocus, and a range of useful features for both photo and video work. If you're in the market for a mirrorless camera that offers a lot of value, the Canon M50 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more camera reviews and photography tips. See you in the next one.